Welcome to this episode of Garage Shenanigans. One of their cousins, another one of my best friends, and basically part of this whole group of family, I guess you could call it. JP is a good hour away. He said he had money for a car, so we're going to try to see if we can find something on Craigslist or something real quick. See if we can get him a car today. It is 3:58 in the afternoon. I sound like a fucking flight captain, like a fucking flight captain. It is 3:59 in the afternoon. Our estimated time of arrival is 5:26. Fuck you.
We have $1,000. Try to find some on Craigslist, which is like almost anything.
Yeah.
One really probably gonna get.
Has to be within the 20-mile radius, though.
Well, you should have been thinking about it before we went down here. Doesn't matter.
Anyway, we're taking my Lancer, and we're gonna be in this car for quite a while. So why don't we just start talking about shit?
I mean, we can, or we can cut it here for right now. Send it in.
Nah.
Well, I don't want the thing to die.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Doing this just record?
Why?
So that way we can have like a time lapse thing.
Okay.
Every like 10, 20 minutes, just turn it back on or something. So we can have a longer video. Shorter videos. Okay. You want me to start recording?
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bought this for $800. The headlights don't come down. It doesn't look like it's going on except for brights. There's like zero brake pressure. Power steering isn't there, so I'm doing this with both hands really hard. It's auto, but it clunks when you go into reverse.
Really?
Yeah, and to slow down, I have to be holding the e-brake up while pushing down as hard as I can. Huge exhaust leak. Smells funny. It's dirty as hell. Yeah, there's a kill switch because the headlights will just stay on, but I can't seem to get them to come on. So, I don't know what to do with that.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Whatever, I guess. I mean, it's not my car, it's his.
Yeah. Very true.
It's fucking deado though. Reminds me of the Corolla.
Yeah.
This is like the Corolla reincarnated. It's gonna be scary as hell to drive, dude.
Yeah. It smokes too. It's got an oil leak and everything.
Oil leak in the valve cover gasket, which isn't bad. As long as there's oil in it, it should be good. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't know if I would drive it.
Got some little dents right there.
Well, it's his first car.
It's pretty nice, especially for $800.
Here you go. I just wanted you to do that. They were yours.
So how do you feel about your new car?
I'm actually pretty happy because we're gonna fix some things up.
Yeah?
Why is that so close to my face?
It's actually not that close.
But anyways.
You get your shoulders right here.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I'm actually pretty fucking happy about this.
Yeah?
I am fucking around.
No shit, the headlights come on.
That might be a problem, but
Brights work though.
there's a few problems. We're gonna fix them. Get this shit straight.
Yeah.
The first car is supposed to be a shitty car. Remember that.
Oh, it's shitty, alright. Kill switch is on. That doesn't lock, close.
That doesn't close all the way. Let's see if the lights work.
I already have them.
They don't work. There they go.
Brights.
Really? No, it only has brights?
I don't know how to keep the brights on.
Uh-oh. Ran into a problem.
Problems. I got a little bit of light. That's how we'll do this.
Those brights?
Yeah. Before we get the tag, we're gonna need emissions done. So
You can't. We don't need emissions for this car.
y'all need emissions.
If it's over 21 years old or 24, I think you don't have to get emissions.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
So that was the problem I was having to run in with the other car. I'd get emissions, get tagged.
Yeah. You don't have to do emissions on this car since it's a 98 or
We'll be
89.
able to pass emissions with that oil leak. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, definitely.
I've dealt with oil leaks. They're not that big of a problem.
You really are using the 18? Oh my god.
Wow. And then we got, yeah, listen how it sounds. Definitely got an exhaust leak somewhere.
Problems. It's just
I got problems with my Corolla too. Don't worry about it.
Right turn signal, doesn't work.
And now you're trying to shake it like ratchet. I'm guessing that before you go catch it.